I can't remember the first day that I was at the shop. I mean, it was just kind of always there. We took dad lunch, dad dinner, dad breakfast sometimes. And so I just naturally, it was just always somewhere we went. And once I got old enough to actually work, I swept the floors in the summer when I was off of school. And I was racing in between that. Eventually, racing took over and the school stopped. And then the racing stopped shortly after that. So I went full time. But we got very good very early at defining the different roles. When we're at each other's houses for dinner, it's father and son, and it's a very easy relationship for us. And at work, it's boss and employee.
So either we're gelling and everything's going in the right direction, or we both have completely opposing views. That's when we sit down and now we look at data, right? Here's why I think, and he says, here's why I think, and then we both scratch our heads and we go, okay, then this is a good idea, and we wind up somewhere in the middle. My priority is to work on the business, on the future, the vision. Sean is definitely in operations, so he works in the business, I work on the business.
So even though we've gone from 80 to over 200 in less than 2 years, that family culture has stayed. It is a family with respect. I would probably relate it to a military family. They all love each other, but there's utmost respect. There's an obvious father figure, and everyone has their role.
But again, it goes back to that family relationship. Unless you have that relationship with that person, you're not going to know what they need. So those are the kind of things that, again, that matter. I don't know, we haven't really talked about retirement. I'm still having too much fun in the business. I'm in town every day, and if I am, I'm at my desk and I'm working. Way too many projects, but that's okay. It keeps me busy and makes me get up early.
By your choice, too many projects.
By my choice, too many projects. So I guess until that changes, he's going to have to put up with me for a while.